Yes, so we've recently switched over to click from Schneider Lissy, trying to get to terms with using a new product. But one of the things I really did like about these is when you need to customise them. So in this room, we've got a 2-gang switch by the door, which is a switch and an emergency key switch, and then by the back door, which has got a 1-gang switch. So instead of going out and buying all the components to actually make a bespoke switch, with the click range, you just simply undo the screw on the back, just like so, and that allows all of these to come off, just like that. We'll do the same to the key switch. So easy peasy, take that out, slide that into there like that, do it back up, and then we've now got a bespoke switch with emergency key switch, and then nothing goes to waste. We put that mod back in there, screw that back in, and then we've got our 1-gang switch. Awesome. Nice and easy. Yeah, so I really do like that about the click range, so well done guys, that's quite good. So